Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling developer options because USB debugging is hidden for safety. Once done, make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to a network so any system prompts download metadata. Tap build number 7 times in About Phone. You will see a countdown or message. After that, go back into Settings and locate Developer Options under System or Advanced. You must be in this menu to access the actual USB debugging toggle, so don't skip straight to USB settings. Now you enable USB debugging and understand why it matters. It allows ADB tools and secure data transfers, which is necessary for development or recovery tasks. In Developer Options, find the Debugging section and toggle USB debugging on. A confirmation appears because this exposes a direct device interface. Accept the prompt to enable it. Next, connect the phone to your computer with a quality data USB cable. Charging-only cables won't allow. Finally, authorize your computer. When the RSA fingerprint prompt appears on the phone, read it and tap Allow to trust that computer. This prevents unauthorized access. Once authorized, on your PC run a DB devices to confirm the device appears as authorized. If it shows offline or unauthorized, recheck the prompt. Make sure the phone is in file transfer or MTP mode when connected. If things go wrong, try a known good data cable. Select file transfer explicitly, restart the phone or run a DB kill server and a DB start server, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.